create an email account. Step 2, open your inbox. Step 3, read your emails. And step 4, earn. Imagine making money online just by reading emails. That would be unbelievable, right? But now you better believe it, because with our method for today, you're going to be earning over and over and over again. So how much money can you actually make? If you read 10 emails, you can earn $50. If that's 20 emails, you can earn $150. If you read 30 emails, you can earn $250. And finally, if you read 40 emails, you can earn $400. Now, isn't that crazy? This method is 100% free. You don't need to invest any money at all, because you can do this all for completely free without any worry or hassle. And of course, this method is available to everyone from all around the world, because I wouldn't want to miss anyone at all. So I make sure I can cater to everybody, so everybody has the same chance and opportunity. Our method for today is quick and easy, because I only like easy to follow methods because it's easier to earn that way. I'm going to be walking you through today's method step by step, because it matters to me that you will come out successful with the method that I will be sharing with you today. This is very easy, but you still need to pay close attention, because I might be throwing in some bonus tips and tricks to earn more than anyone else in the same field. So watch until the end to find out what you're going to have to do to earn just like the way that we are. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video, and let's jump right into it. First thing that we want you to do is go on over to Vindale.com. And this is a platform where you can make money online just by answering surveys. As you can see, get paid to take surveys online. Vindale is the secure, reliable, and free survey site for anyone who wants to earn money online. There are hundreds of paid surveys added daily. Over $7 million already paid to members. You get paid cash and not points via PayPal, and you can take surveys at home or on the go. So today's method is literally for anyone and everyone. If you're someone who's always busy or who's always traveling, this is the best way to earn quite the amount of money on the side. Here are some reviews and ratings that can assure you that this is a great website to earn money by just doing simple tasks. How it works is, number 1, you take paid surveys, so you share demographic information about yourself, and Vindale Research will match you to paid surveys. Browse current surveys in a list on our website, or have them email you when new surveys come in that you qualify for. Getting paid for your opinion couldn't be easier. Highest paying surveys in the industry, access to hundreds of daily paid surveys, complete surveys on any device. Number 2, redeem your earnings by PayPal. When choosing your reward, select payment via PayPal and spend your earnings however you like. It's that easy. All surveys are worth real cash and not points. It's simple, it's user-friendly payment center, and quick payment turnaround. Now that's a quick rundown on the website, but we aren't exactly here for the surveys. We're here to read emails. To those new to my channel, I want to know where you're from. Leave a comment down below letting me know, because I want to read all of your comments and get to know you guys a little better. So let's continue. Now, to know more about how we can earn by reading emails using this website, we want you to click on Ways to Earn, which you will find up here. As soon as you click on that, you will be brought to this page right here. Ways to get paid online. As a Vindale member, you won't only get paid online by taking surveys. Below, you can learn how to earn money online using several of Vindale's great services. You get paid to answer online surveys, get paid to take daily paid surveys online, check out their site and your inbox often for new chances to make money, get $5 for every friend referral, and the more the merrier. So for every friend you refer to Vindale, you get $5. Okay, so go ahead, share that link. And of course, our main focus for today's video, earn cash for every email you open. Earn just for every reading paid email. Opt into reward email in your email preferences to open and view paid promotional messages. This is what we're going to get into right now. But really quickly though, if you actually scroll lower, you'll see that you can also make money by watching paid videos and giving feedback on the videos too. So this website is literally everything that anyone who wants to earn money online has ever dreamed of. Wouldn't you agree? Now going back to the email strategy, just click on sign up and get paid to read emails, and that should lead you right here. You should be able to sign up on the page that they led you to, and if you actually look on top, you'll see that cable TV and cell phone usage surveys will pay you $1.35. Beverage preferences surveys will pay you $5.60. And healthcare and pharmaceutical surveys will pay you $25, which is just absolutely insane. So you're going to focus on filling up all of the details that are being asked of you. Your email address, your first name, your last name, address, zip, and country. And if you click on country, you'll see only 4 options listed down. But don't worry, because even if you're not from any of these 4 places, you'll still be able to join, and I am going to teach you just how you're going to get to do that. That's why make sure to stick around so you'll know. Anyway, continue with your birth date, gender, ethnicity, then your password twice, and once that's complete, agree to their terms and hit continue. Now, to be able to still join even if you're not a part of the countries listed down, this is your moment. We want you to go on randomlist.com, then this should be where that takes you to. Right away, click on this and then select addresses from the options. Then you'll see this next. And as you can see, random address, and it says generate a fake address complete with street, city, state, zip codes. So click on this and you'll see a list of random addresses over here that you can actually just choose from. But before that, scroll down a bit and then you'll see that there are some edit settings, and if you click on addresses, you can choose what addresses you need, so you literally have no problem at all. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on, so that I'll know that you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. There's Californian, Canadian, Florida, London, New York, Oklahoma, Texas, and even UK. So you can choose whatever address it is that you need, and then you can even choose how many of those addresses you're needing, and then boom, there it is. But we want you to choose Canadian addresses, and this is important for a reason that we will be sharing with you later on. For now, just make sure that you choose Canadian, and then you'll see the results, and these are all the Canadian addresses. So from here, you can choose any address from this list. Just make sure it's Canadian. Then we can now proceed with the sign up process. So on the country part, you need to choose Canada and then carry on with the form as follows. Then once you hit continue after filling the whole thing up, a consent form will pop up, and all you need to do is check the boxes. That's literally it. And once you've completely signed up, you're going to immediately make $1 just by signing up. Isn't that crazy? On top of that, you've just unlocked surveys that pay you up to $50. You will also have access to earning by opening emails, but that's only if you use the tip that I just shared with you. So make sure you follow all of that and leave no mark unchecked, and that is basically it. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love and hit the bell button so that you'll be kept up to date. Love y'all. See you in the next one.